The ages of Asad and Farman are in ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Find their present ages. So this is the question. The ages of Asad and Farman are in ratio of 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. We have to find their present ages. So the solution will be let Asad's age be equal to x 5x and Farman's age be 7x. So according to the question, five x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 will be equal to 56. 5 plus 7x is 12x plus 4 plus 4 is 8. It is equal to 56. So 12x will be equal to 56 minus 8. We'll transpose it. 12x will be equal to 48, which is x equal to 48 over 12, which is 4. So Asad's age will be 5x, that is 5 into 4, which is 20 years. And Farman's age will be 7x, that is 7 into 4, which is 28 years. So this is our answer, 20 years and 28 years. These are the ages of two boys.